All right, we're here pick up a horse, a dog, one that takes gas instead of hay. Story goes, this car was parked right before Mount St. Helens blew. So that was a long time ago.
Kind of same thing. Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, the Mustang's loaded, it's tied down. Doc's gonna turn around and be on our way back home.
You're good.
Alright, got the Mustang here at the farm, which will be here for a few days until Doc cleans out his shed so he can put the Mustang at his place instead of here. It's a project for sure. I think it was worth it. Sure beats that Power Stroke tweaker truck he bought. Yeah, it's parked before St. Helens blew. Anyway, there's more projects. Yeah, catch you later.